some advice I can offer you, but I have every reason to believe that you don't need any of it. I'm sure that you will be just as successful as a husband and as a father as you've been in the past in all that you've tried to do.
Both of y'all deserve it. And I am so excited to see what the future holds for the both of y'all.
Here we go, guys. Day of the wedding. David, hello.
20 minutes.
Brian Gill. What's happening?
Yeah.